WaterAid is a global organization working on water, sanitation and hygiene. And in Myanmar, for the last 3 years, we are working here, working with the government, civil society, private sector, so that everyone understand that water, sanitation and hygiene is very important. And WaterAid work in Myanmar and anywhere in the world is more relevant now than before because of this COVID situation. In the COVID situation, you all know that maintaining that high quality of the hygiene is the most important. The first line of defense from this COVID virus is washing hand. And if everyone practice seriously the washing hand and practice systematically, it's like not just wash hand with the water, wash hand with the soap and water and properly, that you wash your hand and then you touch anything. And if you touch anything, again wash your hand. So that is the work at this moment that we are doing in Myanmar, that along with promoting that water supply system development of Myanmar government and the community, and also the sanitation facilities supporting the community, but also we are promoting that hygiene facility. As I said before, that WaterAid work is more relevant now in the COVID context than before or ever, because of we are now trying to aware people that how to wash hand properly with the soap and water. And also we are working with the government so that government and also private sector, civil society, they not only aware people washing hand, also provide the infrastructure like a hand washing station, water supply, so that people can wash hand in hospitals, in schools, in marketplaces. This is the one work we are doing it. We also using the social media and also different print and television media like 7 Days, that we are working together so that more people across Myanmar, they understand and they convince, they internalize and they practice hand washing properly. We also working with Ministry of Health so that all the health care facilities in rural health centers, township health centers, and also the tertiary level hospitals, that everywhere there is a proper hand washing practices before anyone touching any patient, or even the patient also, if they visit hospitals or patients attendant visit hospitals, say they also should wash hand properly so that they don't catch the virus. So this is that one work we are doing before and also during this COVID situation. In the COVID situation, we also now start promoting that how to improve the hand washing practices, like contactless hand washing station, where that if in public places many people touch the water tap, then you have a risk of catching the virus. So most important thing that we don't need to touch the tap to get the water. So it has to be a contactless system. So this is something that at this moment WaterAid we are trying to promote. There are few contactless station already been produced. Now we are waiting for to place it in different places, but we are going to scale up across the country together with the government and private sector. I want to convey the message to the Myanmar people that COVID situation, what we understand from the WHO and many other scientists, that it probably is not going to be vanish overnight. It may remain for few months or years. We may have to live with that. So now what WaterAid we want to do it, this called living with COVID. So we have to adapt ourselves, that how we can avoid the situation that we are catching that COVID virus, how we wear the mask when we go to the public place. We wash hand, we keep the hand sanitizer in pocket so that anytime we touch the money or we touch anything, we immediately clean our hand. We have to open our business or offices in a way that we maintain that at least 1.5 meter distance from another person. When you go to the shopping mall, we have to ensure that there is enough distance between the people. If we go to the public transport, we have to ensure that we are maintaining the distance from each other. And this is not only the responsibility of the people, it is also the state, the government. They also have to create that kind of infrastructure where that transport, offices, market, it is organized in a way that people will be able to make a distance. If infrastructure is not developed, only people's awareness will not work. So we have to work two things together. Ensure that all people, they understand, internalize, and practice. But at the same time, also the infrastructure has to be available. Hand washing station, places where people can actually maintain the distance. And also that these days that people have to wear the mask. So masks also have to be available with a low cost. So government has to intervene that so that that manufacturer can bring that mask in the market with a low cost. Thank you very much.